Good morning everyone. Now here's another set which you haven't seen before. This is another applique beaded set, and I've added, these are 4 inches long strips. They're 6 inch wide and 4 inches long, and you've got that in the cream and in the pink. I've added 2 of the diamante flowers. We've got the heart, remember we used to sell a heart, a dozen of the pink roses, a little bit of that trim, 2 of the blue ones with the flower in. This is a beaded trim and it's quite heavy because it's beaded on both sides. So you can pull it together, you know, like that. Sorry, like that. 2 more of these, one on gold, one on white and gold, gold on white. 3 of the appliques, 3 of the doilies. 2 pairs of these because you can make them into butterflies. 2 butterflies and 2 more of these, and they'll be on sale. Now I only have 6 of those available. I don't think I can do any more than 6, but grab them while you can. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.